Hi, my name is Cindy. I had very old veneers that I'd had for over 20 years, and had decided that I needed a new look and new teeth. So my daughter recommended Dr. Vaysman to me, and so I came in for a consultation, which went beautifully, and we decided that not only did I have to replace my veneers that were on the top, that my bottom teeth down below were crooked and stained, so we decided to do the top 6 and the bottom 5 all in crowns, which I thought was going to be a terribly long process, but as a matter of fact it was done in a matter of 2 weeks. So again, this has been the most amazing thing that I've ever done, and I'm so happy with my new teeth. Dr. Vaysman and the staff did a fabulous job. Thanks to all of them. Thank you.